Nature Play Area was started roughly 2 years ago, and it was designed to have nature activities that would lead families into nature play.
Nature play areas are designed to get kids out in the woods in a safe environment and give them a chance to play with things that aren't plastic or aluminum or electronic. It helps to dispel their fear of the woods, and it gives them a chance to enjoy being out in it. The staff at Crabtree Nature Center, specifically Sue Dombrow, put this together with minimal financial support. They didn't need it.
Sue Dombrow is the one who researched it and brought it up to me as an area here at the Nature Center.
They were able to put together a very nice spot on very little money. They've worked hard to do it and design it. There's been a lot of research behind it, and first time I saw it, I was just stunned.
I've seen, a variety of ages of people taking part. That's the best feedback, is to see that people use it and enjoy it.
I could see being a 10-year-old and coming in here and spending a couple hours.
I hope that this nature play area will change the way children and parents see nature. Parents who aren't comfortable taking their kids out, maybe they don't know the name of this plant, they don't know what to teach their child about it, will see that you don't need to know anything. All you need is to come out and let the kids' imaginations run wild and let them be creative and find their own way to entertain themselves.
Ultimately, we want people to care about nature, because the generation that we're trying to get their attention, they're the generation that's going to have to take care of this place when we're gone. And if we don't establish a conservation ethic in the younger generation and a true love of the land, there's not going to be anybody left to take care of it.